Have you ever found yourself in a heated argument where emotions took over and things spiraled out of control? We often hurt others and ourselves when we don't handle conflicts mindfully. But what if you could win every argument with calm and truth without creating pain? This wisdom comes from one of the Supreme Buddha's greatest disciples, Arahant Sariputta. Today, we'll share with you 2 powerful tips from Arahant Sariputta to help you win arguments peacefully and wisely. In life, when we're dealing with people, sometimes we get into arguments with them. Sometimes people may accuse us for so many mistakes. Maybe the mistakes that have been done by ourselves, and also the mistake for the mistakes that has done by others also. So, when we're in an argument, sometimes we may face those arguments in an unsuccessful way. If you face an argument in an unsuccessful way, you may hurt yourself, as well as you may hurt the people who are complaining you. So today, we're going to find out how to face an argument and how to deal with an argument when you're being accused. So today I need to share 2 useful tips that you need to practice in your life to win an argument without hurting others, as well as without hurting yourself. This great advice was given by our great Arahant Sariputta. He was the chief disciple of our great teacher, Supreme Buddhas. Oh, he was the great person who gave us this great advice. Our great Arahant Sariputta says, if you have been accused by someone, if you are in an argument, you need to practice these 2 tips. Number 1, first of all, you gotta be cool. You need to stay cool. Always. It means you should not not be angry, because whenever your mind is discovered or controlled by anger, Supreme Buddha taught us, if you speak out of anger, out of that anger, your words are evil, so the evil words may hurt yourself as well as to the others. And if you act out of anger, those actions will be also evils, so those actions will cause damage for others as well as for you. So first thing that you have to do when you have been accused is to be cool, to be patient. Right? Don't be panicked. Don't act out of anger. You need to control your emotions. If you can control your anger, you are a great person, because many people in this world, they cannot control their anger. They just let the anger take this out of them. They act in anger. They speak out of anger. Don't let that happen to yourself, because anger is not something that you should be happy with yourself. Anger is a failure. Anger is the fault. And also remember, the people who are being angry always are weak, or you should control your emotions, and you should stay cool whenever you're being accused. That is the first thing that you should do. And the second tip is you should always speak the truth. Now, normally when we get into a trouble, and when we're in an argument, when we're being accused by someone, normally people tend to speak lies, right? Because they like to escape from that problem by telling a lie. Remember, never ever lie in an argument of something that has happened. If a mistake has happened by yourself, you need to say that I have done this, I admit this, and I admit my fault, and I will correct it. Or you need to stay in the truth. Always, right? Never ever lie. Because sometimes if we lie in an argument, when we're being accused, we have to say 10 more lies to cover that, to protect that lie, to save that lie. If you tell the truth, right, you don't need to remember anything anymore, right? Or if you speak that truth, you don't want to remember anything. Just you say the truth and let the things happen to yourself after telling the truth. Let it happen, because bitter is better than sweetly. So what you have to do, always speak the truth. Don't ever lie, right? So it will make a depression inside your eye. You need to remember everything that you said in that argument, so you need to speak this truth always. So these are the tips to win an argument, because if you speak truth, remember, the person who is accusing you may blame you, or you will get into a trouble in your life. But remember, after that argument, after that accusation, you will win the trust of that person, because he may start to think this person had the opportunity to tell a lie and escape from that problem, but he did not do that. And he will get that idea that you are a person who always speak the truth. So it is better to have the trust of the people around you. So what you have to do, you have to speak the truth. As well as, if you stay cool, people will like you very much, because no one likes to be with an angry person. No one likes to associate an aggressive personal ways. People like to IAT people who are very cool people, who are not getting angry very much. So what you have to do in your life, practice these 2 tips to win an argument. If you practice, and if you master these 2 tips in your life, I am very sure that you can win many arguments, you can win many problems in your life. And you're dealing with people, as well as you will win the trust of the people around you. Mastering these 2 tips will change how you handle conflicts. Forever, stay calm, speak the truth, and win every argument with grace. If you found value in this wisdom, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with friends who might need this guidance. And for more teachings that can transform your life, make sure to subscribe to Buddha Enlightenment. Hit the bell icon to never miss our weekly spiritual insight.